Wagwan bread bins. Yeah, so I just went up to the fruit woman, the street vendor, and I just asked her like what she had for sale, and she didn't actually have much. She had some ackee, but she wanted £5 for 12 pieces of ackee, which is just ridiculous. And then she also wanted for the bananas, it was a small little bunch, had like 5 or 6 of them small bananas on, do you know what I mean? And she said 1,500. What, for this? Like, I wasn't disrespectful, do you know what I mean? But she basically wanted £7 plus, 7.50, £7 for 5 tiny bananas. And I was like, ooh. When we were at the airport last time, yeah, I tried to buy 1 bar of of Cadbury's, but she wanted me to, she tried charging me £8 for a normal bar of Cadbury's chocolate. Do you know what I mean? £8. So obviously I just was like, oh yeah, no, I'm not paying £8, sorry. Like, respectfully, no thank you. Are we going in here? But it was just absolutely ridiculous, the pricing. Like way over, like triple, quadruple, quintuple the price of what it should be. So I just said, nah, you're okay, mate.
What we're up to today, we're off to, where are we going?
High-low food stores.
We're off to high-low food stores. So yeah, we're just nothing busy today, but yeah, come along with us to high-low. And that's about it for today. And Hayes. Fun. Do you want a trolley? Is it not so? Yeah, it's just gone.
Same with these pintos and everything. We probably want kidneys.
Okay.
Don't know how much.
You're right, too.
Yeah?
Yep.
Premium, high-roll, high-roll bar for 6. Remember, pudding is sugar. Don't.
Yep, I heard you.
So you can put a spoon.
Yeah. Wait.
Ready? Oh,
They got a balloon, haven't they?
Ooh.
Have we got enough?
12.
60. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a lovely day. On mine.
Bye. Very tight. We're to the left. I don't think so. I think they normally bring it to the car.
Don't lift.
You sure? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Oh, here you go. Thank you so much. You're a very kind lady. Thank you. You want a trolley? Right. Yeah. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You are. You're in the white car. Yeah, they're basically the same price. Sorry, I thought. Oh, okay.
This one yogurt is like £1.30, and that's how much they all cost, don't it?
Yeah.
One yogurt is £1.30. You get this pig's tail.
What, and try it out?
Yeah. You want it, do you?
No, I don't.
Wagwan bread bins. So we went to High Low first, which is obviously a supermarket in Kingston. It's obviously a little bit older, a little bit more raw, but still a decent, good supermarket. You get a few cheap bits. As everyone knows, the food in Jamaica is not cheap, but you can still get your budget items like budget chocolate, budget tea bags, but so the options are still there. All I will say is, like, dairy is ridiculous out here, man. Like, one carton of milk, like a litre of long life milk or covered milk or whatever you want to call it, is like £2.50, £3. In England, you can get one of those cartons for like 50p. You can get them for like 50p if you shop about, but normally they're like £1, aren't they? Something like that. Yeah, so the difference is like 2.5 times the price. Obviously you need 7, so you're looking at like 20 quid just for your weekly milk. Yeah, so like in England your weekly milk is like a £5. You see what I'm saying? So it's like, it's literally 4 times the price just to have milk. So for example, Mega Mart, which is in the second part of the video, that in this video, which is kind of like, they're all kind of American. They look and they feel very American. Now Mega Mart is like Costco almost, not quite as big, but I think people were saying that you can use your Costco card at Mega Mart. So I think they're actually the same company, but don't quote me on that because I could be completely wrong. But anyway, it feels like you got the same kind of carts, shopping trolleys as we call them in England. Mega Mart has the food court as well, which is
Mega Mart, definitely Mega Mart.
So the big.
They've all got their pros and their cons, but if I had to just stick to one, I'd probably say Mega Mart.
Mega Mart. Yeah, so basically Mega Mart has a food court, and it does like fried chicken with like rice and peas and salad, and they put the sauce on, and they do like different soups. Basically the cafeteria is like well authentic, and it gets packed in there at lunchtime, and it's like £5 for one portion. But then the portions over here for takeaways, I promise you, are double what they are in England. So if you pay, honestly, you pay for one island grill, which is £7.50, or they do the same thing at Mega Mart basically, £5. We honestly feed me and 2 of the kids on one portion. A Mega Mart's no muck, is it? The takeaway food court. Premium. Trust me, Jamaican women cooking it. So it's absolutely banging. Mish, you got anything to add? Just anything about the supermarket experiences?
Nothing. You say great. I think they're equally as good, if not better, than England. I love the Mega Mart. As you said, it's comparable to Costco. I like Shoppers Fair again. I like the Sovereign. They're all pretty good. They're all really good. Obviously, prices, like you said again,
They're absolutely
wicked. But you do get some cheap bits. Yeah, like overall, I think supermarkets are pretty cool. I enjoy actually going to them.
There you go. T, what do you think about the supermarkets? Come in the shop.
Good.
My brother, get your big head in the shop.
That's it.
Maybe we should go to Mega Mart.
Mega Mart? Yeah, mate. All right, anyway, over and out. We'll do some more about our weekly shop and supermarket runs, obviously in upcoming vids. But for now, ciao.